Hey guys, so let's take a quick look into the header settings that we have within our theme. Now essentially everything is pretty simple here. We have 7 different layouts for you to choose from, and if we take a look at our demo website, right now we are using type G. So we've applied that layout to the demo of our site. Okay, so everything looks pretty simple here, and if we do decide to change out any of the other layouts that we have, simply select the desired layout, click on update, and then you can refresh your page, and essentially all of the changes will be applied as soon as the backend updates. Alright, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, we've changed out our header structure. Now also, one thing to note is depending on the layout that you select within this top area, the options below will change accordingly. So first of all, we have a screenshot here, and we've kind of broken it down into components, and we have all of these components also labeled under specific letters. So you can see that the logo components are under letter A, menu components under letter B, and then search under letter C. So as you scroll down, you have all of these updates to make, or changes. So essentially you can start off by changing out the background color, and the default is white, as you can see here. We also have the color hex code written out here, and if you want to use a different color, simply enable this checkbox and then use one of the following colors, or just type in the color hex code into the following field, and that's pretty much it. Scroll down and repeat the process for any section where you can change out colors. Now, in terms of additional settings, we have options like a sticky menu. This basically enables the menu to stick to the top of your page. That way, no matter how far down you scroll that page, it will always be available at the top of your browser. Okay, scrolling further down, we have several options for our logos. And we do have a more in-depth tutorial here regarding the different logo types, but just to do a quick overview, there are 3 types. We have the image logo, which is the most popular one, where you upload the PNG. It has to be a transparent PNG image. And then we have the website title logo, and then we have a simple text logo that you type into the following section. Okay, so everything's here pretty simple. Once again, we do have a separate video tutorial explaining that process. Then you can adjust the logo maximum width. Also, you have that option for tablets as well. Okay, and then as you scroll down, we approach our menu section, and here you can essentially adjust the fonts within your menu, and then you can also make a few changes to the font drop downs, and then also to the colors as well. Regarding the search option, everything here is pretty simple. You either enable or disable the search, and that's pretty much it. Now, moving on to the mobile settings, everything here is I'd say pretty simple and self-explanatory as well. So essentially there are 2 sections to this. We have our mobile header, where the menu is collapsed or closed down, and this is what everything looks like. So once again, components broken down, you can adjust colors, fonts, and stuff like that. And then within the menu pop-up, this is essentially once the menu unfolds on your mobile device, and once again adjust all of the colors, the various fonts, and that's it. So overall, the settings here are pretty simple. There's really not much to it in terms of technical things that you should be aware of. So just play around with the settings, see which option works best for you, and don't forget to click on update whenever everything is finished.